Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're going to look at 6 different types of 1911 handguns. Now I realize there are more than 6 types of 1911s. However, these are the 6 that I want to feature today, and I also want your feedback as to which are your favorites or what type of 1911 handgun that you have that is not on this list. I have seen some amazing custom work on 1911s, but I have to believe this Magnum Research Desert Eagle, We the People, is amongst the best. Get a load of this laser cut and Cerakote work. Just stunning. And on this side it says our right to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed. It has all the signers of the Declaration of Independence on each of the grips. Just an amazing custom 1911. Put that aside, it has a 4.3 inch bull barrel that's bushingless and a full length guide rod. It shoots incredibly well. It has custom work, but it has the qualities and features of an amazing 1911, and this is amongst the most beautiful and fine shooting handguns out there. Here we have a Ruger SR 1911 chambered in 10mm with rubber grips, beautiful matte finish, stainless slide, bushingless bull barrel, full length guide rod, adjustable sights, and an excellent trigger. I took this to the range and it ate up that 10mm like nothing. The recoil was minimal, extremely accurate, very smooth shooting. Rugers make excellent 1911s, and when they chamber it in 10mm, it makes it just a little more special. I love this 1911. If you're going to carry a 1911, I can't think of a better choice than this Magnum Research Desert Eagle Undercover. Stainless steel slide, alloy aluminum frame, G10 grips, bushingless bull barrel, and an incredible trigger. Carries 6 rounds in the magazine for a total of 7, and it shoots like it's full-size 1911 Big Brothers. I mean, it is amazing. It has everything that the full-size has packed into this small package, and I love it. It's just an incredible shooting gun. It's lighter weight, it's smaller, and extremely accurate. The one complaint that could be made about a 1911 is the mag capacity, typically under 10 rounds with a single stack magazine, but that changes with this Remington 1911 R1 with a double stack magazine that carries 15 rounds. It has a flared magwell, G10 grips, Cerakote slide, front serrations, fiber optic front sight, LPA rear sights, and a total of 16 rounds can be carried in this gun. Makes it an excellent competition gun. It does have an incredible single action trigger like we're used to with 1911s, but more mag capacity in this beautiful 5-inch barrel setup that is an excellent choice for anybody who loves range shooting, competition shooting, or any type of shooting with higher mag capacity. This R1 definitely suits the bill. How about a versatile 1911 that converts with 2 barrels, allows you to shoot 2 separate rounds, 9mm and 22 TCM that exceeds 2,200 feet per second. And that's what you're getting from the Rock Island TAC Ultra. Comes with 2 magazines that share the same ammo, G10 grips, 5-inch barrel, 1913 rail, front serrations, fiber optic front sight, 2-dot rear sight, and 2 barrels and 2 recoil springs that are easy to switch out. So you get all the comfort and the qualities that you love from 1911 shooting with the ability to shoot 2 separate rounds. This gun is amazing. I love this Rock Island Armory TAC Ultra. Sometimes you have to go back to the standard. What is a standard 1911? And I have 2 of them here that are definitely worthy. This is a Desert Eagle 1911 with a 5-inch barrel, both government size, and this one here has a case hardened frame. An incredible looking and shooting gun. One of the favorite guns that I own is right here with the G10 grips, front serrations, incredible 3.5-pound trigger pull. And over here we have a Remington 1911 R1 stainless enhanced elite, all the same features with a different look. Once again, a 5-inch barrel. This is the standard, and both of these are excellent guns that just need to be featured. So there they are. Let me know which 1 or 2 or 3 that you like the most, or what you feel I missed. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.